Welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Valerie. In this video, we're going to use this globe to make something special. Yeah, I know it's a globe, but it's an old globe. The first thing I'm going to do is try my best to separate the two halves without destroying anything. So let's get it started. I had no idea this thing would be so tough, but I finally got my kitchen knife to pierce it. So now I'm gonna see if I can go around. That's a pretty good cut. Didn't want to damage anything, and I don't think I did. The thing that I need to do right now is to spray paint on the inside. It's a whole new day because yesterday when I sprayed this thing, it was so stinky I had to give it lots of time to dry out. So now it's way better. So we're gonna get going and finish off the project. So the next thing I'm gonna do is apply these 4 tabs equidistant around the globe. Now I'm going to use this cordon, which has an attached ribbon, to go around the globe. The reason I put these tabs on is because where I join it here, I wanted to be able to cover it just like so. However, I didn't want to just cover it with this one thing here for it to be obvious that I covered where it joins here. And so in putting the other ones around, it creates a dimension, right? It adds a little style to the whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead now and glue these tabs on the inside. We could let the inside be as it is, but what I'm gonna do is use the ribbon to go around to finish it off. I just think it will be neater. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so our next step is to take the stand off. This is the stand that held the globe. So we are going to use it. I want to use this, but it is a bit too long. So what I'm going to do is use this chisel here and cut it. Now we've got this done, we can move to the next step, which will be to put the bolt on the inside here. And I'm going to put this next, and then put the stand, and then I'll go ahead and put the nut on. And just like that, we have used an old globe to make a storage bowl. Sending you so much love and appreciation. I will see you in the next video. You take care now.